Hello, in today's episode we will listen to a conversation in English. If you like this lesson, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like, and comment on this video. And now, let's move on to the dialogue. Today's topic is at the gym.
How are you finding the gym?
It's good. I'm still figuring out the machines.
Yeah, it can be confusing at first.
Tell me about it. I tried the treadmill, but it was too fast.
Haha, happens to the best of us. Start slow.
I will. What exercise are you doing now?
I'm doing some weightlifting. Wanna join?
Sure, but I'm not very strong.
No worries, we all start somewhere. Here, try this weight.
Okay, thanks. How many reps should I do?
Start with 10 and see how you feel. Take it easy.
Got it. So, what's your fitness goal?
I want to get stronger and more fit.
Same here. Maybe we can be gym buddies.
That sounds great. It's more fun with a workout buddy.
Agreed. Plus, it keeps us motivated.
Definitely. Do you do any other exercises?
I do some cardio too, like cycling.
Nice, I should try that. Cardio is important.
Yeah, it keeps the heart healthy. Let's do it together next time.
Sure, sounds like a plan. I'm enjoying the gym so far.
Glad to hear that. Keep it up and you'll see progress.
Thanks. You're encouraging. Let's finish these reps.
Absolutely. We got this.
Vocabulary: gym, machine, confusing, treadmill, fast, weightlifting, join, strong, worries, reps, feel, take, fitness, goal, fit, buddy, enjoying, glad, progress, encouraging. Thank you for watching. Check our channel for more videos like this one.